When preparing a list or timeline, many managers default to the classic bullet list. This unique slide design will help you stand out. Let's dive in and create something visually striking. First, start with a fresh slide and set a gradient background. This instantly adds depth and makes the slide look more dynamic. Now draw an arrow in the center of the slide, representing the timeline or flow. To give it a stylish 3D effect, let's split the arrow into 2 vertical sections. Duplicate the arrow, draw a rectangle over the top half of the duplicated arrow, then select both the rectangle and arrow. Go to the Shapes menu and choose Subtract. Now you've got a vertically split arrow. Make the top half a slightly darker shade and add a shadow to enhance the 3D effect. Pro tip, for more design hacks like this, check out my Telegram channel. Link is in the description below. Next, let's create the list area. Draw a rectangle on top of the arrow to serve as the base for each list item. Need more templates? I've got over 200 specifically for project managers, so be sure to check them out in the description. To make it pop, add a pentagon shape on one side, rotating it 90 degrees to fit the rectangle. This adds a banner-like appearance. Draw a small triangle to give the banner a subtle shadow, adding that extra touch of depth. Now, let's turn this pentagon banner into our list holder. Duplicate it to create multiple list items. 5 should work perfectly. Color each pentagon differently to make each list item stand out. If you want to incorporate a bar chart for added detail, draw several rectangles and adjust their heights to represent your data visually. Color each bar, then position them at the arrow's head for a clean, cohesive look. It's time to add text. Type out your list items or timeline details and align each piece with the center of the pentagon banners. Don't forget to add icons next to each point to give the slide a polished, professional touch. And there you have it. Your unique, eye-catching slide is ready to impress. For more ready-made slides and design inspiration, check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.